Good morning, children. I welcome you all for the video class. Today I am going to teach you chapter 5, The Democratic Republic of the Congo. Children, in previous chapter we have learned about the three main climatic zones of the earth. These zones experience different types of climate depending on factors such as temperature, humidity, rainfall, and wind. The torrid zone experiences extreme climatic conditions across different regions ranging from rainforest to desert areas. We all know that our earth is like a big round of ball. The equator goes round the middle of the earth. It divides the earth into two equal halves. The region around the equator is the equatorial region. Some of the regions in the torrid zone have equatorial climate. Children, let us learn more about the Democratic Republic of the Congo. To get a clear idea about how climatic conditions of a region influence the lifestyle of the people living there. Children, we are going to discuss about Democratic Republic of the Congo. The Democratic Republic of Congo means DRC is a country located deep in the African continent in the tropical zone. DRC is the second largest country in Africa. Children, it was ruled by Belgium. It was ruled by Belgium till it became independent in 1960. This country was earlier called Belgian Congo. Children, the name was changed to Zaire in 1971. Once again, in 1997, its name was changed to the Democratic Republic of Congo, which is its present name. Its capital is Kinshasa. Children, now let us ask few questions. Children, which is the second largest country in Africa? The Democratic Republic of the Congo is the second largest country in Africa. Next one, which country controlled the Congo up until 1960? Yes, until the year 1960, the DRC was ruled by Belgium and was known as Belgian Congo. What is the capital of DRC? Its capital is Kinshasa. Children, where is located Democratic Republic of the Congo? It is located in Central Africa. Children, what is DRC? DRC means Democratic Republic of the Congo. Its capital Kinshasa. Children, next we are going to learn about location. The Democratic Republic of the Congo is a huge, hot and rainy country in Africa. The equator passes through the northern part of the country and hence 1/3 of it is in the northern hemisphere and 2/3 lies in the southern hemisphere. The country has the Central African Republic and Sudan on the north, Uganda, Burundi and Tanzania on the east, Zambia and Angola on the south, the Republic of the Congo on the west. Children, name the some countries of African continent. Yes, Sudan, Uganda, Burundi, Tanzania, and Zambia. Do you know, children, what do you mean by topography? Topography is the study of the land surface. In particularly, it lays the underlying foundation of the landscape. For example, topography refers to mountains, valleys, rivers on the surface. The landscape of the country is dominated by the Congo River and it is the second longest river in Africa and the seventh longest river in the world. The Congo Basin covers the entire country. Children, Congo is not only famous for rivers, but it is also famous for waterfalls. Some waterfalls are Livingstone Falls and Inga Falls. Children, which is the second longest river in Africa? Congo River is the second longest river in Africa. Children, name the two famous waterfalls in Africa. Yes, Livingstone Falls and Inga Falls. Children, next we are going to learn climate. What type of climate experience in Congo? Congo experience equatorial climate. Why? Because it is located on the both sides of the equator. The sun rays fall directly here. The sun shines brightly even in the morning. The sun shines brightly even in the morning. The temperature rises steadily. The evaporation of water due to the high temperature during the day makes the humidity very high. By noon, dark clouds are formed. It rains heavily in the afternoon at about 4 pm. This happens almost every day throughout the year. The evenings becomes pleasant and the nights are cool. Children, do you know the Congo rainforest is the second largest in the world after the Amazon rainforest? Children, next we are going to learn vegetation. Children, plants here grow faster due to the hot and wet climate. More than half of the total area of the DRC is covered with dense forests called tropical rainforest. Children, what is the other name of dense forest? Yes, dense forest is also called as tropical rainforest or tropical evergreen forest. The trees in evergreen forest do not shed their leaves throughout the year. Some of the examples are ebony, mahogany, teak, rubber, and coconut, so on. These type of trees are very tall, even the rays of the sun cannot get through the thick leaves. This makes the forest dark even during daytime. Children, next we are going to discuss about wildlife in Congo. A variety of wildlife is found in the forests and savannas of DRC. Most of the animals are tree-like gorillas, monkeys, chimpanzees and baboons. Other animals found in the forest region are lions, zebras, giraffes, hippopotamus, rhinoceros, and elephants. The Congo peacock, one of the most colorful birds, is found only in this country. The DRC is also home to a variety of amphibians including crocodiles and snakes. Children, let us recall what we have learned so far. We learned about DRC. What does DRC stand for? Yes, DRC stands for Democratic Republic of the Congo. Children, where is DRC located? DRC is located in African continent, which is the second largest country by area in Africa. DRC is the second largest country by area in Africa. DRC stands for Democratic Republic of the Congo. Don't forget it, children. DRC stands for Democratic Republic of the Congo. So, where is it located? It is located in African continent. Children, what is the capital of DRC? Yes, the capital of DRC is Kinshasa. So, the capital of DRC is Kinshasa. Children, next we have learned topography in DRC. What is meant by topography? Topography is the study of the land surface. The landscape of the country is dominated by the Congo River. Children, which is the second longest river in Africa? Yes, Congo River is the second longest river in Africa. Children, as a result of its equatorial location, hot and wet climate is found in the Democratic Republic of the Congo throughout the year. The area receives heavy rainfall. Children, next we have learned climate of DRC. Which kind of climate does DRC have? DRC means Democratic Republic of the Congo. Has an equatorial climate. So, the evaporation of water due to the high temperature during the day makes the humidity very high. So, it rains heavily in the afternoon at about 4 p.m. This happens almost every day throughout the year. The evenings become pleasant and the nights are cool. Children, can you remember of Children, next we have learned vegetation of DRC. Children, can you tell me what kind of vegetation is found in DRC? Plants here grow faster due to the hot and wet climate. Half of the total area of the DRC is covered with dense forests. Plants such as ebony, mahogany and teak grow here. Children, why tropical rainforest is also known as evergreen forest? The trees in evergreen forest do not shed their leaves throughout the year. Generally, these trees are very tall. Children, we have learned wildlife of DRC. Children, can you tell me which animals are mainly found in DRC? Animals are mainly found in DRC such as gorillas, monkeys, chimpanzees, zebras, giraffes, hippopotamus, rhinoceros, elephants and buffaloes. Children, this chapter will be continued in the next video class. Children, stay home, stay safe. Okay, children. Thank you.